take a look at this Restomod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino with an LS2 6-liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, and nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this custom front end. Some SS badging on there, and then kind of the graded grille hiding the headlights. Nice clean bumper look on it. In a cool color, kind of a burnt orange. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Check out the underside. The underside is as clean as the top of this car. Engine bay, interior, bed, all the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Now, I mentioned it had power brakes, and it does have 4-wheel disc brakes. US Mags wheels, radial tires, and let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see nice and straight body panels on this one. You can also see that it has shaved handles. There is a popper down below this door, and in just a little bit, the battery's been relocated behind this seat, and that popper is below the battery on the underside of the car. You push that and it'll pop the driver's door. It also has a key fob that we're going to use to pop the doors open, or driver's door open, I should say. And we'll start it up. I'll show you that in just a bit. And you can see the paint has a nice shine to it, nice finish. Soft tonneau cover. There is a rubber bed mat in the bed of it too, and you can check that out in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust, also has headers. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. I'm going to go through a few details of this car. Check them out in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, miles on the car. Has a Dakota digital dash. Miles on it right now, 6,892 miles. Was originally an Arizona car, and then the restoration work was done 2014, 2015. So the miles are believed to be since it was restored. Custom Bluetooth stereo system has been installed, and we're going to get to that here in just a bit. If you look at the underside picture, you're going to notice some Hotchkiss suspension components. Also a new Curry 9-inch rear end was installed with 355 gears at the time of restoration. And then, of course, the last thing we'll take a peek at before Jason takes it for a drive is that LS2 420 horsepower fuel injected V8. And you can see up and down the driver's side of this car. Also nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. If you like these Restomods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor. So you can see the key fob there, and number 1 button, push it, pops that driver's door open. You can also see equipped with power windows and power locks. Take a little closer look at these bucket seats. Center console, and of course that 6-speed tilt column. I think we need to fire this up. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's go ahead and get the key on. So there's your Dakota digital dash. There's the miles I was talking about, 6,892.
And our weekly flyer for all of our hot deals.
So you can hear radio working. Top of the dash. Looking good. You can see some speakers put down on the kick panels. There's also a couple behind the seat. There's the actual stereo system. this one and listen. That'll turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to get this hood open so we can check it out. Take a peek at that engine bay. Let you get a look at the underside of the hood there. Nice and clean. And here it is. So aluminum radiator, 2 electric puller fans, K&N air intake on it. Their Willwood master cylinder, brake booster, serpentine belt system, AC compressor. Check everything's complete. LS2 power. This one's got to get up and go. And then paired up with that Tremec 6-speed and all the modern equipment. Makes for a nice Restomod. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino with a lot of nice custom touches, starting with this beautiful steering wheel, digital dash gauges, we got hood pins, a custom grille up front, and a lot more power than it came with. Manual transmission right here on the floor. Let's go see how she does. Power, plenty of speed, and it handles it well. It is planted, the shifts feel good, clutch feels good. Just a beautiful rumble coming out the back of this car. We have a SoundStream radio in the dash.
Mankato's greatest hits play here. River 105.
Heater's working, blowing some hot air up my feet because it is chilly out today. Our fuel, digitally, telling me there's about 80% left in the tank. Water, 198 degrees. The oil pressure is 45 psi, and the volts are 14. We have digital tachometer, showing you the revs and also a line that will slide and fill up, so you can visually see the revs, kind of like other digital tachometers. Very nice cornering. The interior looking really good. Dash is all blacked out, seats looking new with nice side bolsters, comfortable. If you're looking for an El Camino, this has got some great custom touches and it drives nice. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.